Hey, welcome back. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm gonna tackle something completely different, but it has to do with the garage. I'm gonna install some additional lighting because it has been a little bit dark here, especially in the front of the garage. So what I'm gonna use is this couple of LED strips. These apparently have a high CRI, that's the color rendering index. And that means that colors are represented well in this type of LED light. So it should be full spectrum, yada yada yada. Anywho, we're looking forward to install those because I've got an overhead door. It's a little bit tricky to mount something here underneath. So the system I came up with is actually use these aluminum strips, and I'm going to be mounting those on the support bracket of the garage door, so it will be semi-floating towards the end. Watch the arrow. And it's going to be supported here to the ceiling with a support strut. So there will be one over here and there will be one somewhere over here. So that will give me a reach of about 1 meter 70 centimeters. You can figure it out how much that is in another standard. So two of those. Let's dive in and light them up. So this is how I'm gonna assemble it. Of course I'm not a welder, I'm gonna glue it. So I've got this little rod, goes in here, this slides in here. Then I'm gonna smother this with glue. Some special metal glue should work. Put it into my 90 degree, let it cure, and then this should be set. I'm gonna do the same for the other one and continue from there. Yeah, I had a little change of plan mid-strategy. Actually went for super glue and some activator to fix this because the other goop didn't work well. It's a two component. One was dried out, one was still a liquid. Drying time would be like 12 hour-ish. So nah, not gonna do that. Now applied super glue. Works like a charm. Now I'm gonna mount it up there. Actually, I'm gonna mount the LEDs first, so that's up next. It is very simple, just stick-on tape, which they already put down in the factory. Just have to peel that back, like so. Then start applying. Go way up to the edge. And just hold the support, center punch. That should do it. Drill hole. Tap threads. Two-handed is a lot easier, but now that I got it going, just a matter of let it do its own thing. Well, fortunately I had to rush because there was a little rainstorm coming, which sucks. So it's a bit wet now. And I just repainted the roof, so I just could save it. Back to the subject at hand. They're mounted. So yeah, they're floppy. And I did it that way because the door goes underneath. And let me see if this goes well. Should be, I hope. Is it? Ooh, barely. Spooky. Let me show you the difference with the lighting I had. Okay. Now turn these babies back on. Oh yes. Massive difference. So these are the originals turned off. On. Yeah, it's no comparison with these. I say job accomplished. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and then I will see you on the next one.